and they want to take you to jail for nothing. And some around, and some around, and some around, and some around can be lick down. You can take them for your friend, and they try to put you there again. In this your time, yeah. So this place is stood up for me. Babylon, we want reality. We don't want no vanity. We want human rights and justice in this land, all over in this time, yeah. Whoa, my dream, oh my dream. I tell you, mama, tell you, Babylon won't come lick me down. Talking about a rap that name. Just you, I look so good. They don't like that, y'all. In the jailhouse. This place is the dark for me and my baby. This place is too dark for me. Not even my breathing I can see reality. We want it, brother, brother, man, brother, 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 man. We want equal rights.